so amazing. Oh, it changed me. So here I am with all I have. I raise my hands to worship you. I wanna say thank you. Wanna say thank you. Oh, thank you for everything, for who you are. You cover me and touch my heart. I wanna say thank you. Leo familia, niluma ole sata ina ifa maloina. Oh, I wanna salam. Oh, I am sitting at the fatava. Oh, am I not to my young? I love to know. If what am I? Someday, Faamawalalo, Sisio Lima, Iateo, Yesu, Fapetai, Ilo, Alofa, Ibea, Uma, Uaifaya, Wana. With all I have, I raise my hands to worship you. I wanna say thank you. I'm so thankful, Lord. Thank you for everything, who you are. You cover me in times. I wanna say thank you. Lord, I thank you for everything you're doing. Thank you. I wanna say thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I want to say thank you. And I'm so very grateful. I want to say thank you. Thank you for the sun that shines on my face. I want to say thank you. Thank you for the warmth of your sweet embrace, Lord. I wanna say thank you.
Come on, would you give it up for the lovely Miss Cyrrona?